this is Typhoon Coaster. Okay. Starting in the dark. No idea how much you can see. Elevator lift, I really like that. I think that is so cool instead of a like traditional chain lift. I'm sorry guys, I did have a wrist mount so I could film myself when riding, but it sadly broke down. I am very sorry guys. You would enjoy that. It's tilting a little bit, I like that. Because the other one is going down. Sorry guys. Not excited. I'm excited for the first drop here, but I'm not excited for the splash because I saw people coming back. They are getting completely soaked. I'm in my bathing suit. So here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice. Completely, oh my god. Completely, oh my god. We get applause for coming back though. That is nice. Thank you, we really tried. Oh. Fun little water coaster, let's tell you that.